Good morning everyone, myself Imran Pardesi sir, and today I will be teaching standard 5th, and standard 5th have the chapter named Roman numbers. As you can see, this is a wall of maths corner. Here the student of standard 5th, they have made the charts, they have made the teaching aids in the guidance of me, of course, and the class teacher. As you can see, it is a wonderful lovely class which is, and all over the wall there are many charts. Lovely class. Now you can see that we already have learned the Roman numbers. As I have taught them, there are total 3 types of numbers: international numbers, then Devanagari numbers, and Roman numbers. So in 5th standard, the first chapter is all about the Roman numerals. Here I have taught them about the Roman numbers, as how they pronounce and how they are written in the Roman forms. So now I will ask few questions to Shiv.
मी चित्र आणि वाक्य तयार केलेली आहे. तुम्हाला ते चित्र पाहून व्यवस्थित विभक्ती लावून ते वाक्य पूर्ण करायचे. म्हणजे एक कावळा होता. कसं आता हा एक कसं वाचणार तुम्ही वाक्य? एक कावळा होता. म्हणजे एक चित्र कसं आहे? कावळा होता. आता हा कावळा आहे. सांग हसत.
कावळ्याला तहान लागली.
काय झालं? कावळ्याला काय म्हटले? कावळा तहान लागली म्हटलंय का? नाही. कावळ्याला तहान लागली. व्हेरी गुड. त्यानंतर कोण सांगेल? हा सांग.
कावळ्याला मडके दिसले.
व्हेरी गुड. कावळ्याला काय दिसले? मडके दिसले. आता मडकं दिसल्यानंतर काय केलं त्याने? सांग. मडकं उडत आलं? नाही.
Refers to the name of a person, place, or thing. Second, common noun. A common noun refers to a person, place, or thing in general sense. Third is collective noun. A collective noun is the name of a group or person and things. Then fourth one is material noun. A material noun is a name of a metal or substance. Then fifth, abstract noun. Abstract noun is in general refers the name of a quality, action, or state.
Calm is abstract noun. Apple is a proper noun. Philip is abstract noun. A bundle of stick is a collective noun. Glass is material noun.
Properly say material noun. What?
Justice is an abstract noun.
Mobile is a common noun.
Water is a material noun. Stone is a material noun. America is proper noun. Car is a
Where
common
is
noun.
car? Where it is car?
Car is a common noun. Sorrow is abstract noun.
Abstract noun.
Singer is a common noun.
Biscuit is a common noun.
A bunch of keys is a collective noun.